Hey y'all, it's me, the Freestyle Juicer. I'm out early today, y'all, because we are under a winter storm watch, and I don't know if it's actually gonna hit the Carolinas, but I do know that I wanted to get my walk finished. It was nice and sunny. Now it's a little bit cloudy. So I don't know if that means that it is coming, it's not coming. Anyway, how are you guys doing today? I hope that you're doing well. I am going to finish up because I think I'm going to make some vegan cream of broccoli soup. It is so good, y'all. I use coconut milk instead of heavy whipping cream, and it tastes the same in my opinion. Well, let me get going. I'm halfway through my walk and I want to wrap up so that I can get home and get cooking. I think I'm going to juice tomorrow. I did go to the market and I have a lot of fruits and veggies that I'm going to juice, but I think it's going to be tomorrow and not today. All right. I hope that the blessings of the Lord be upon you, and may his favor follow you. Be blessed of this day, y'all. And I will see you the next time. Bye-bye.